You're most welcome. Now in today's video, I want to show you how to edit the students information. So you visit the students section. Now look for, you can go and search. You can go and search whereby you can search someone. I can search by class. When I search a student, then you come here where you're seeing this. There is edit student, view student profile, update a photo. So you click there. When you click there, you're going to see the information, or is the email is wrong. You can just edit by just putting the correct one, password. Daniel Sally, you can choose the region, status boarding. So if this combination for A level, you add parents details, the pay code, they are up, the pay code is here. So after updating, you click save, and the changes will be updated. Or someone can, if you want to update many students at once, you can come here where there is update student info under the student section. When you press there, you come here and select the class which you want to edit, for instance senior 1. Now when you click there and download the personalized template, the template will open. When you open it, you will be able to edit them at once here, and then you upload after. Thank you.